Tips for problem solving. 1. Remove broken key from lock. 2. Remove broken light bulb. 3. Remove stubborn screw. 4. Protect children from sockets. 5. Good glass door safety tip. 6. Keep nails from splitting wood. 7. Repair small holes in screen. 8. Straighten warped phono records. 9. Best way to clean phono records. 10. Make your own fireplace logs. 11. How to remove oil from driveway. 12. Keep fish hooks from rusting. 13. Make sandpaper last longer. 14. How to revive old razor blades. 15. Where to sell box tops and labels. 16. Remove labels from bottles and jars. 17. Easy to unglue stamps and envelopes. 18. Get water out of your watch. 19. Remove broken light bulb. 20. Protect children from sockets.